Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix media sound not working problem on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to sounds and vibration. From here, just make sure that your smartphone is not on mute. After that, just go to volume. And from here, you can increase all the volume sliders on your smartphone, just like that. Now, once you do that, just go back and open your control center. Now just disable the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Now if the Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone, maybe your smartphone is connected to an external speaker. That might be why the sound is not coming out of your smartphone speakers. Now once you have done that, just go to accessibility and tap on hearing and enhancement. Now just make sure you disable mute all sounds. Now once you have done that, and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the speakers on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix media sound not working problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.